Hello class 8. Today also we are going to discuss some Java programming question as a practice. So first question is, write a program in Java to input two numbers. Display the numbers after swapping them. Swapping means after interchanging them by using a third variable. Okay, so first we are going to input two numbers and then we'll swap them, means interchange their values by using a third variable. Sample input, suppose A value is 85 and B value is 35. So after swapping, the A value will become 35 and B value will become 85. So these values are interchanged like this. Alright. So this is called swapping of two numbers or interchanging of two numbers. So let us begin the program. Open BlueJ. New class. Class name swap. Open. First line will be import line. So type import java.util.scanner semicolon. Whenever you have to input, we have to use import the util package. A public class swap has come. Now next line, main method, public static void main string args. String args. Now scanner object, scanner ob equal to new scanner system.in. Here the common lines we write in each and every program. Now take the numbers, take A and B, enter first number, system out println, enter first number. First number will be A, int A equal to ob dot next int. Alright. Now system out println, enter second number, system out println, enter second number. Second number. Int b equal to ob dot next int. Now swapping. So take a third variable c. The question was given using a third variable. Now take it c. In the c we assign the value of a. So suppose value of a is 85. So 85 is assigned in c, and in b, in a assign the value of b. In a assign the value of b. To see, a was, suppose we have taken a as a sample input. Suppose a is 85 and b is 35. The c equal to a means c equal to 85 and a equal to b means a equal to 35. Okay. Now, so in the a we have stored the value of b, and in the b we are going to store the value of c. The value of c is the value of a. Once again, it here, int c equal to a. The a was 85. The 85 is stored in c. A equal to b. B value was in sample input 35. The a value became 35. The a value is changed. B equal to c. The c has got the a value 85. The b became 85. So a became 35 and b became 85. So both the values are changed. Now print it. System out println. The value of a equal to the value of A equal to A. Let's copy this line. Now system out println the value of B. System out println the value of B equal to plus B. Program is completed. Close the main method, close the class. Compile the program. Semicolon will be here. Semicolon. No syntax error. Close. Right click. Void main. OK. First number suppose 85. Second number suppose 35. Now see, value of A became 35. A was 85, became 35, and value of B became 85. So this was first question. Now one more question we'll discuss today. We'll practice. Second question is, write a program in Java to input the name and basic salary of an employee. Name and basic salary of an employee, and calculate and display the gross salary and net salary when DA equal to 30% of basic salary, HRA is called house rent allowance, 12.5% of basic salary, PF is 10% of basic salary, and gross pay is basic salary plus DA plus HRA, and net pay is gross minus PF. Okay, so what we'll do, first we have to input the name and basic salary. So let us do. New class name imp salary, employee salary. Okay, copying some lines from last program. Import java.util .scanner. Delete all these lines. Now first what we have to input? Name. Then enter the name of employee. Enter the name of the employee. And after name we have to input the basic salary. Int, not int, string. String n for name, n equal to ob dot next line method. Now we have to use the next line method, L capital. Now same way, input the salary also, enter the basic salary. System out println enter the basic salary. Enter basic salary. Okay. Int bs equal to, for basic salary will take bs equal to ob dot next int. Ob dot next int. Now calculate the DA. Double DA equal to, double type you can take, double DA equal to, it is 30% of basic salary. Then BS into 30%, 30 by 100. DA is calculated. Now double house rent allowance, HRA, the double HRA equal to 12.5% of basic salary. The BS into 12.5 by 100. Okay. Now PF is 10% of basic salary. The PF is deducted. PF is called Provident Fund. It is an amount, in last day I have discussed, it is an amount which the employee gets after his retirement. The BS 10%. Now calculate the gross. So double gross equal to BS plus DA plus HRA. Now what will be the net salary? Net salary NP for net pay equal to gross salary minus PF. Okay, now print all these things. System out println employee's name, N, employee name we have taken N. Paste it. System out println. After the name, what will come? Gross pay. Type here gross pay. Gross pay equal to gross, GROSS. And after that, print the net pay. The payment employee gets in his hand, the amount to be taken at home. Net pay is NP. So see the program, the full program. Program is over. So according to question, we have first input the name of the employee. We have entered the basic salary. DA calculated 30% of the basic salary. HRA calculated 12.5% of basic salary. PF calculated 10% of basic salary, and gross calculated basic salary plus DA plus HRA. And net pay is gross pay minus PF. Then print the employee's name, print the gross pay, print the net pay. Program is over. No syntax error. Close. Enter the name. Suppose name is Rakesh Kumar. Suppose basic salary is 15,000. Just see, employee's name Rakesh Kumar, gross pay 21,375 and net pay 19,875. So check the program. So write both the programs and practice. In the next class, we'll do some more programming practice. Thank you.